Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can like a game on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and first of all open up Roblox app, and then you have to go ahead, find a game, choose a game, and simply go ahead, tap on it and play the game, because you need to spend a certain time on the game for you to get that a particular option for the system to let you vote. So once you have played the game, you're going to come back to the main page of the game, and you should be able to find an about option. So when you scroll down, you should be able to find a about section up of the game. You simply have to go ahead, tap on that, and then tap on up and down arrows. And if you tap on up arrow, that means you are liking the game, and that's how you will be able to like the game. That's one way for you to simply go ahead and like a particular game. Again, you have to remember, if you cannot like a game, that's all because you do not have spent enough time on this particular game. Go ahead, play the game for a while, and once or twice that you have played in it, then you will be able to find an about option. Tap on the up arrow and you're good to go. That's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.